Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School at Campus Islamabad, and today I am doing my TEDx talk review, and my topic is a message of peace from Pakistan by Ashad Hassan. So viewers, today I watched a meaningful TEDx talk titled "A Message of Peace from Pakistan" by Ashad Hassan, and it represents a powerful and positive perspective about Pakistan and its people. Often, Pakistan is shown in international media through stories and of conflict and challenges. However, this talk highlights a different reality, a Pakistan filled with compassion, resilience, hospitality, and hope. Ashar Hassan shares how ordinary citizens, young leaders, and communities are working every day to create peace and progress. One of the central messages of the talk is that peace begins with challenging and changing narratives. When we only focus on negative stories, we overlook the countless acts of kindness, innovation, and unity happening around us. By sharing positive stories, we can reshape how the world stands Pakistan. Watching this talk on the TED platform reminds us that ideas have the ability to connect cultures and break stereotypes. Viewing both English and Urdu version allow audience locally and globally to understand the same message. The peace is built through understanding, collaboration, and shared humanity. So the talk also emphasizes that the power of youth. Pakistan has a young population full of energy, creativity, and potential. When young people are empowered with education, opportunity, and purpose, they become embarrassed of peace and change. My biggest takeaway from this talk is simple. Each of us has the responsibility to represent our country through our actions, values, and contributions. So, with this is my next talk review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.